In this video, I'm going to show you how with QuickTime you can very quickly reduce the file size, so the gigabytes of a video that you're working with. That way it's easier to upload to different platforms online, or even free editing tools that have a maximum upload limit. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's a video I recorded earlier, how to use iPhone as a webcam, which I'm doing right now. You can go watch that video on my channel if you're interested, and we'll just use this as an example. So as you can see right here, 2 gigabytes is the file size, and the video is less than 2 minutes long, which is quite significant. So all you have to do is click on it, and if it'll open up QuickTime. If not, then you can go open with and select QuickTime. Go up to the top left here, File, Export As. You can choose your size, and we're going to choose 1080, clip, and I'll just add small file size so I know what I'm working with. And right here, smaller file size. Save it where you want, and that's all you have to do. It's then going to render the video, and it's working over here to create that smaller file size. And I will skip forward to when it's done. Just going to take about 20-30 seconds here to render. Okay, so now you can see that we're done. I'm going to close this. This is the old clip. Right over here is the new clip. And now this one, if we click Get Info, you will see that it is only 134 megabytes. Here it says 123. I don't know what the difference is, but 134 megabytes, and it's the same clip. Now you think, well, how much has the quality gone down? So this one is 1920 by 1080, and this one also is 1920 by 1080, but I do understand that there may be a perceived difference. So I would say that the one on the right here perhaps looks ever so slightly less quality. But to me, what's important is I like the crispness, the lighting. And if you're doing this for social media or online like YouTube, it's such a small difference. I don't think anybody's going to notice. They say audio quality is typically much more important, so focus on that. And this is the quick way to do it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.